This is old town Chipika. Chipika, the whole town was washed away by the flood water. And they built a new town across the street down the hill. And there's nobody live here now. And this down below, there's oasis.
Here, Atlas Mountain reaches 900 meters above the level of the sea. We'll arrive till 150 meters above the level of the sea. We have a nicer view. We crossed the white, you see a little bit. Yes. One part of white. This is the Salt Lake from this side too, over there. It's the Salt Lake of Chott el Gharza.
Chott el Gharza.
Chott is the lake, Gharza. The white is salt. So the village lives from 3 springs of water. So and they use all the water goes for the irrigation of the oasis. From the other side, yes.
No, I mean that way here. That's not salt.
No, that's not salt. No. The salt is only over there.
I think it's limes. I don't see it. Look at the town. We passed it. Yeah, but I didn't get a picture.
So, this was one of the Roman stations.
Oh my God.
So the Roman Empire extended from the Hadrian's Wall. Hadrian's Wall that separates Scotland from England. And cross all England, France, Spain, Italy, and extend still the Africa here, and arrive still here. This is the limes, this is the border of the Roman Empire. So, Lad Speculum, the name of Chipika under the Romans. Lad Speculum. So the question is, the difference between the desert oases we visited yesterday and these ones, they are natural ones. They grow by their own. And then the people from the other side, they started to plant oases.